Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we would be creating purple glitter smoky eye. This is perfect for an Indian wedding guest makeup look. I have tried to make this summer proof so that the makeup doesn't budge. We'll start off with applying the collagen serum that I have. This is just to keep the skin hydrated before we begin with any makeup. Then we will go with the brows. I feel that fixing the brows first gives a clean canvas to begin with. I'm using my Makeup Revolution brow fixing kit with an angled brush, and then applying concealer underneath the eyebrow for that cleaner, neat look. I am applying a scotch tape so that there's no mess. I would be applying the Urban Decay primer and this NYX concealer over my lids just to nullify any redness or any dullness on my eyelids and for all the colors to pop up. I will rub it with my fingertips and apply a setting powder on top of it so that there's no creasing. Then taking the Mighty Huda Beauty palette, I would take the lighter shade to run across my crease. Now taking a blending brush, I would blend that color across the crease so that there's no harsh line, and similarly I will do it for the other eye as well. You can use any brown color for the crease, or for that matter any brown blush or any bronzer for that matter. Now when I'm happy with the blending, I will introduce the next color, which is the wine color, slightly below the crease color, and I will blend it nicely so that the color blends with my crease and the existing color. There are no harsh lines. Just see that how beautifully the color has blended across my crease. This is a very easy look wherein you just have to apply two colors one after the other and blend them nicely. I'm sure you would find it easy when you recreate it. Now I will apply a purple color on the hollow portion on my eyelid, the place which was left empty. Apply it generously and then we will blend it in the end. Taking that same wine color blending brush, I will blend everything in so that there are no harsh lines. In this process, if you feel that the color has faded out, you can reapply purple color. Here, to bring this look a notch higher, I will apply purple shimmer on top of the eyelids and then blending everything so that the look is seamless. I will highlight the inner corners when I'm happy with the blending. This is to brighten and open up the eye. And these small things really make a difference. Now I will take my gel Blacktrack MAC liner. I will line my eyes. I'm going for winged eyeliner and the very famous Lash Sensational mascara. I completely forgot the two-faced lip injection, which gives your lips that bee-stung look. Now I'm going to apply eyelashes. My husband got it from US from TJ Maxx, and these are lightweight eyelashes with a thick band. So I generously applied the adhesive and kept them aside for about 30 seconds so that the glue becomes tacky and I can stick them nicely. After applying the lash, I ran over the eyeliner one more time so as to cover up any glue marks or empty spaces in between. Now I am bringing the liner to the inner corner of my eyes. This will give my eyes some elongated look. I'm removing the scotch tape after reapplying the mascara. Starting off with the face, I will apply my e.l.f. Cosmetics primer. This is a silicone primer which tends to make a good base for your foundation to stay. Then moving on to my MAC Waterweight foundation. I will apply it coat by coat with the help of my foundation brush. I will now take that contouring shade from the NYX Conceal palette to contour my nose. these small things really make a difference. Now I'm taking the powder from my contouring kit to blend that contour color into the skin. Just make sure that you take the lighter brown color. You don't want to mess. Applying some on the hollow of my cheeks. Just layering up my foundation so as to get a better coverage. Applying MAC Studio Fix Plus concealer under my eyes and on the nose area. After blending the concealer into my skin, I will go for one matte blush because it's summertime and I don't need any shimmer on my face. And then I would go for a little highlight, although the summer would do all the job for me, but still I would like to go for a little highlight on the high points of my face. I chose this bold purple shade from Nika K. I will list down the shade name in the description box. I am blending the same color under my waterline. And with some setting spray, I think I'm all set for the evening. Here is the final look. If you happen to like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Also, please don't forget to give your feedback in the comments section. It means a lot to me to improvise. Let me know how did you like the video and what else do you want to see. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.